In this video we'll be looking at a couple of ways that you can print your page. First of all is simply by enabling the option to print from the menu, and the second one, which is adding a print button to be able to print from your live app. So I'm in the pages section of the builder, and the simplest way to add the print function is to go into settings and tick the box that says show a link to print this page. Save that, back to the live app and do a refresh, and then the print link will appear next to the logged in name. So the other method is to use a button via a menu. So I'm just going to add a view and add a menu. Now I'm using the designs for the buttons built into Knack, and this is a legacy button, so I need to change how the button behaves. So first of all, it's key to add it to a link to a URL. Don't add it to a new page or an existing page. It's a link to a URL. And in my settings, all menu buttons are default by green, so I have to kind of use the overrides to change them. I'm just going to save this one. This piece of code only works in legacy, so once I've saved it, click on the menu itself and then go to overrides and switch it back to legacy. I can now click on the button, and I'm just going to change this word to print, paste in this little snippet of JavaScript and add an icon for a printer, and then I can save. Just going to collapse this view down so I can grab the handle and move that up to the top. Just expand them again. If I click on this menu, it will say at the top here, this is view 286. So view 286 is the view I need to target with a little bit of JavaScript. So I'm going to go over to my JavaScript section. I'm going to paste in the JavaScript and then change this number to 286 and save. So back to the live app, and you'll now have a print button. And I'm using Chrome, so you can go to more settings and change some of the scaling. So for instance, you may find yours is set at 100% and possibly spilling off the page, so you can just reduce that down to a more suitable size. And I always uncheck the headers and footers, otherwise you end up with date, time and the app address. So I'll just uncheck that, and then you can just print this as a PDF. So hopefully you found that of use, giving you an option to be able to print with a button as well as the standard Knack print link up on the menu. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions and comments, please put them down below and I'll come back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.